What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei. So we are at the beginning of 2023. I did want to go over my goals for what we have for 2023 as well. Just recap our goals from 2022, see where we ended up going with those. And it'll be definitely exciting video to see going back and just going back in history or going back in time and seeing how we performed, where we were at the current time in 2022, but as well you'll see here, this is the current dashboard for our Google Sheets. You'll see that we do have quite a lot of data now for 2022. One of the things I do want to pull up is my video that I do have. I'll try to leave a link or try to add a pop-up in this video for my 2022 investing goals if you guys were interested in rewatching it or first time seeing it. But I just wanted to recap. This is the data from, or I guess a current snapshot of 2022 goal video. You'll see that we were at 2021 Q4 here, and now we're fully populated for 2022. You'll see that actually one of the things I do want to actually show you here is if I go over a little bit, I want to show you the investment goals here. So you'll see at the time we were at M1 Finance, we had the portfolio value around $194,000. You'll see the value over time though. That one of the beautiful things about it is that we were investing for the long term, and we could see everything. Let me see if I can actually play this a little bit, but you'll see that over the long term, if you're invested, time in the market beats timing the market, and that's what we've been doing. We've been getting some pretty great returns, and we'll see. Let me go ahead and play it for you guys. Grow and grow over time. You'll see that this was the March 2020 crash. Look at this, guys. We were at 81,000 back in 2020, $81,000 or so, and we just been continuing to dollar cost average, and it's been paying off fairly well so far, which it kind of almost seems the same. So it'll be back at the current time when this crash happened, or I guess when the bear market started in beginning of 2022, we were around the 194,000. We have actually been going down more, but our income and dividends has been going up, guys, as well. We started just enabling options, so it's going to grow a lot farther. So I'm excited to see what 2023 brings with the projections here. One of the things that I do kind of want to point out here as well, look at the subscriber count we were at the current time, 4,810-ish subscribers there. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing with that notification. Help me reach 9,000 subscribers. I do have a new goal for the subscriber count for 2023. And let me see if there was actually one last thing I did want to cover here. This is another one that I do want to cover. Average per month dividends here. We were at the beginning around $255 per month. Quite a lot still, but not compared to what we ended up achieving by the full year. Definitely exciting what we will bring for 2023. One of the other ones here is total invested. We only had about $100,000 invested into the portfolio. We have roughly about $110,000 invested now, and we're going to continue to grow these goals and try to achieve them overall. But let me go ahead and actually show you guys just the portfolio in general. You'll see the portfolio's at $182,156.61. We're actually down, and we're down about $5,953 compared to when we did the transfer over in August of 2022. And overall, I think in the long term, this should be going up in the green. If I show you here the positions, here's the current positions. We have about $2,777 in cash, and then you'll see total gains. We're up about 33.79%, which comes out to be $45,308.16. And then our cost base is about $134,071.36. And then here I'll show you the positions. You'll see a lot of these companies we are in the green. There's some in the red that we hope to dollar cost average the way down. Performance, you'll see right here that we do have about $9,000 that we're down, almost $10,000, and we actually hit a low in October, and we started recovering. Rate of return about negative 5.18%. Not a big deal because we are long-term investors and we'll eventually recover. We'll be in the green, and we're going to take these opportunities to build some more positions, you know, I guess accumulate more shares of these great positions. You'll see investment income, we're projected to make about $3,610, about averaging about $300, almost $301 by the end of 2023. I'm hoping to get this around 325. We'll see if we achieve that. But anyways, guys, let me show you guys here the recap for 2022. Total dividends we did make was about $3,228.89. Money invested total, we made about, or I guess invested about $110,021.84 is accumulated from the previous year. So we kind of invested about $11,000 for the full year if you subtract these two. And then portfolio total cost was about $134,071.36. This includes dividends and any companies I sold at a gain. So this also includes it. This is not the total money invested. And then portfolio value, again, about $182,156.61. Last year we were at around $214,000 when I took the snapshot, and you know, we did go down, and you know, dividend yield is 2.93%, so we went up about a little bit. And then unrealized gains, this would actually be negative, especially if you compare it to last year's, but overall in general we're still up about 65.56% in the green if you only take into account what we have invested of our own money in this portfolio. But again, the other one I do want to point out, monthly average per month that we are projected to make is about $331, sorry. We will try to get this to 325, and we'll see what happens there. The other thing is that I want to show you guys is the investment income goals. All right, guys, so here is the 2022 goals. Just to recap, again, we reached 6,000 subscribers. You guys knocked that out of the park. We actually made over $300 on month per each quarter, and we actually achieved that last week. Invested about $110,000 of my own money. You'll see that we were right around $110,021, so we went over by $21. And the other one here that we actually, this one was out of the picture, reached $225,000 portfolio value. This is actually was not in our control, so we didn't achieve this one. So my next goals for 2023 will not include stuff that are out of my control. They're more goals towards that I can kind of focus on and try to improve on. Goal number 5 was to continue to dollar cost average $100 every single week. You guys can go back every single Sunday. You guys saw that I deposited a minimum of $100 no matter what the portfolio was doing, or in general what the market was doing as well. We always invested an additional $20 towards every time we got a dividend from a company, and I think that actually you know, created a great opportunity to grow the dividend snowball, especially for the long term. I think it's gonna compound, and it's gonna get to a point where we actually absolutely have to do nothing, because all the work will be from the portfolio itself. But I'm actually gonna delete this column because we achieved almost every single goal, and I'm gonna show you guys the ones for 2023. They're a little bit more aggressive in some of the stuff. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section. But goal number 1, guys, we're gonna try to aim, I'm gonna push myself to try to get to 20,000 subscribers this year for 2023. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing with that notification. Definitely would appreciate it as well if you drop a big thumbs up. Definitely goes a long way there. Goal number 2, guys, is to try to get about $325 per month on average each quarter. I think we can get it. It'll be kind of tough, but we will push through it, and I think we will achieve it. Goal number 3 is to try to reach about 118,000 invested of my own money. So that's about maybe $8,000 that I will have to put invested this coming year. A lot of the money that I will have for 2023 will be a lot less. So I'm gonna push myself to get about $8,000 invested, because again, this isn't my only portfolio I do have. I do have a growth portfolio that I do constantly invest in as well. And I have a couple other things that I do have coming up in 2023. So my funds will be a lot less. So I'm gonna try to force myself to do about $8,000. We'll see what happens, guys. And then goal number 4 here is to continue to dollar cost average $100 every single week. That's the minimum. We're going to continue to do that no matter what. In the long term, my future self will thank me. Again, number 5 will be to continue to, deposit about $20 every single time a company pays me out. Maybe 2024, if money is good, I might even bump this up to $30-$40 depending on how we're doing. And then goal number 6, guys, is to this one's actually a new one. So this one is to try to average about $400 per month from selling options, guys. We're going to try to use options as a great leverage to achieve some of these other goals much quicker and help us, which I think it will in the long term. Again, options in general, last year we made $3,544.51 just since August. So definitely exciting to see. You'll see that a lot, like September we made 325, October 691, and then November 900, almost 1,000, in December 1,400, 1,500. Basically, I'm going to try to get to the point where each month I'm trying to make at least $400 to $500 per month every single month. I think that's going to go a long way for us, especially for the dividend portfolio, and we're going to see that grow and grow, guys. But let me know what you guys think of the goals for 2023. Definitely exciting. We'll see. We'll come back and check and at the beginning of 2024 and see how we ended up performing. Definitely exciting. I will have to reorganize this Google Sheets, so this might look a little bit different by 2024, but in general, we'll see all the data there. Again, don't forget to subscribe with that notification as well. Drop a big thumbs up on the video. Definitely would appreciate it. I will talk to you guys in the comment section. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.